Hello guys, my name is Michael McQuain. I am here today to show you guys my project on walking and working surfaces and safety for construction. It's really important that we make sure we maintain our surfaces, walking or the working surfaces, it doesn't really matter because anything can happen in a work site that can cause problems. So I've got 5 violations right here. This violation, this is the combustible materials. Okay, it has been tossed in a pile that should have been disposed of in intervals, and it hasn't been disposed of, and because of that, this white piece is a piece of cloth covered in alcohol that a worker has just tossed on there. And because of that, this is no longer just combustible, it is now extremely combustible and flammable because of it. We also have another one right here. This is another violation. So this right here is our fence. This is our entry to the work site. You cannot be walking under vehicles whenever you are going into the work site or under this bucket. And because of that, the access and regress going into the site has not been made by the on-site manager. And then we have this one right here. This one has 2. So right here we have a work surface that it rained the night before, and instead of waiting for it to become feasible or allowing another worker to come here and dry it off or use some sort of drainage system, this worker has just been like, no, it's okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just get on it anyways. And that's very unsafe. And then these 2 pieces behind him are pieces of this telephone line per se that he has taken apart or so and just tossed them instead of them being off to the side or out of his work area or out of his walkway, his surface areas. He has now just thrown them onto the ground behind him. And then as our last one, we have this right here, a safety net. So this guy is climbing this ladder to the top of this telephone pole, and this safety net is supposed to be in place. But the problem is this safety net is being moved. It hasn't been put in place yet. It hasn't been tested, and they're going to go ahead and use it. But because of that, and it's near this crane operation, because of that, that is a definite hazard. Back to like what I was saying, walking and working surfaces and safety construction is very important and can cause a lot more injuries than what people suspect. And this example right here will show you guys. Thank you.